Welcome to the 2016 TAC Awards. Nominees for Best Actress in a Television Series are Katrina Balfe, Outlander; Joanne Froggatt, Downton Abbey; Leslie Nichol, Downton Abbey; Eleanor Tomlinson, Poldark; Maggie Smith, Downton Abbey. And the winner is Katrina Balfe, Outlander. Nominees for Best Actor in a Television Series are Richard Armitage, Hannibal; Peter Capaldi, Doctor Who; Sam Heughan, Outlander; David Tennant, Broadchurch; Aidan Turner, Poldark. And the winner is Sam Heughan, Outlander. Nominees for Best Actress in a Motion Picture: Helen Mirren, Trumbo; Charlotte Rampling, 45 Years; Daisy Ridley, Star Wars: The Force Awakens; Maggie Smith, The Lady in the Van; Kate Winslet, Steve Jobs. And the winner is Daisy Ridley, Star Wars: The Force Awakens. Nominees for Best Actor in a Motion Picture are John Boyega, Star Wars: The Force Awakens; Benedict Cumberbatch, Black Mass; Idris Elba, Beasts of No Nation; Tom Hiddleston, Crimson Peak; Eddie Redmayne, The Danish Girl. And the winner is Eddie Redmayne, The Danish Girl. Nominees for Favorite British Artist of the Year are Richard Armitage, James Corden, Benedict Cumberbatch, Sam Heughan, David Tennant, Maggie Smith. And the winner is Sam Heughan. Congratulations to all the winners. For more information on the 2016 TAC Award presentations, follow us on Twitter at Anglophile TV and subscribe to us on YouTube. Thank you for watching.